What are some of the things that memano or moya itimi mo akoko dru so bi ntwese kan wo bi no e de ba be na moye no
over better was in a mechia with tea for no wash for an pay. I think say in SHS no a lot is going on, especially with the guys no. A banny campus supremacy. Ura campus in the campuses in the moa. Ubia gangs in it is there.
There's some more gangs.
Yes. But to outsmart teachers and the teachers and the parents, you know, you be find say this gang no more sa, we no more rappy, we no more yesi. That's such a way money emba what we do, no so. But deep down inside, no, now we know what we are doing.
And the gang na matete the school hobby him say asana mosa we mo rap group, but mo they cover up for
yes.
And near my be na mo ye no.
This occultism, yeah. Me any say, you know, it was because of football. Now me meaning ball, but me call Form 1. I member school needing. It was me bar. Call for me. To be called Form 1, it was because of football. I got initiated into that.
How they initiate you na kwan be so?
Well, nipa no and. Maybe I'm born the
or senior member.
Yeah, no, I'm senior.
Until quite best so of who say ubeti me agia tuma or beba because or na womba kra.
The thing is, say my main sound this one into our form of the back form 1. So call all the back at the first year. Now say teacher ni bia and so ban san kan so bia me do ban me the next boy we san I say senior we san. No ujina ho no bi ba say o me fan school sana empene. That's one thing, one key I make a child for. So what they are crying no be a basso ubano me person me find the school and person find the school what I mean penny. Trema teacher be and for being brand on financial answer.
Cause teacher for name
yes. The good ones in the school.
Okay.
But so be bad because me in the me coin me want any pan buy. So person find me school son. I'm sure okay, well no problem. Until one day my break. Na me call dining. No. Seniors be a group in normal frames, I remember. No more 60 pesos. Say, menkoto emu, mento macaroni, mento kushia, and fish. Na me fancy sa 1 CD. No more 4. Na me sansu to pure ta phone count. Na me fancy sa 1 CD. And I was the type baby na me free bano. Me sroshi, ina me mbushi enso. Jo me this kind of man, me could this kind. Me could this kind. It's that day no after class dormitory na ba ko buy ti ba ko buy no me challenge no na me nim say ono is at the grandmaster a friend grandmaster SSO no oni wa sa ba ko no omo ko fa ne buy no ono na wo ho na is second in command of the grandmaster na me nim nti be challenge no mo ko nti that very night no me da na to say dormitory ho o ma bawura ho to o bawura ho no they walk straight to my door and no mo share jalabia black and the last person now is on my line no mo buy and the last person was holding a candle on say
na the pa bia na ho
obia da ho but I say obia I don't know what came about none obia I'm sorry
I don't know who bibia gumani so ana
na minim and they walk straight into my bed into me na I say many so team and I wondered why omu we inside no bia da me nkwan na I say
oh sorry yeah
na mbi so omu say adan no say they are coming for their money I'm catch them say what they are doing me baby I'm free by me binti I don't have any money you on buy me no munye no munko ti omu gina osa no omu gina osa kende no call off and later on the air call the next day no me wana senior be frame say senior be for form 4 frame na me call nti be call no bo ni din kire me no be say what happened what me who complain me ade nti na me feel say na obi say na me feel so or yes prefect bi okita post bi school nti na opese na me so me cheche asem no me kire me no say okay fine after class about 5 o'clock me share no school park na so nti na no say be punishment be no de baba me nti me ko shia no ne me kasa bebre sa say mo ke kan die made it to change. Then the following week, yeah, inter houses, no. The houses, no, yeah, but first game. Now, me who say, oh, me at the end. Almost select your mono. I was far better than them. And the second game, so it later on the senior and Becca say, do I know the reason why you selected players in the me family? Now I'm far better than some of them. Now I'm see me. No, so if I want to get my way into the school, I mean, I should let the school enter me. That is how the whole thing started.
And I'll give you money too.
Yeah, now I was very curious. Now I mean, so me per se. Yeah.
And Bia, when he said the unimi and omodia drew no say near mama was a winning favor and Tiafide Branabeji favor.
That is what he made me. Son of the shame it.
I say you were new favor and Tibra. And you call ye Nana be an adjoana, we are more initiating a dear and rituals or more.
Initiation, no, a group be an initiation. The last time I knew that video, no, me catch a madam for be say. You wouldn't be surprised that see Canada boy in the show and it's part of the initiation. Yeah. My initiation my always be recited and above on the school food at 12 a.m. and Ubiada. And the last initiation was candle black, red, and green. Yeah, the sea mechi me die. Near the sea mechi mani na ni go mechi.
Na omo yes ani na students SHS for na omoko fa nipa free abonte
SHS for
na candle no na ni go wachi.
That was my last initiation.
If you know who changes be our life mana.
Oh yeah, everyone is like I became part of them, and even some seniors be at the whole campus now. Me mate for any being so strong, it was like nafi me strong and omo
almost row.
Yes, and say initiation now. The thing is, Ubia won a greeting star. That Abia Michelle and Mechia on Sem no. Ubun guys be especially Ubun guys be Ukrum Abia Uchia will your best sign be an Asabia or my boys I knew you not. Those things and it started from the SHS. It's part of group behind anyway. And some of them will see me doing that science with some of no one will say, oh, this guy he belongs to this clan.
Nti sa no ba fia wo ne family wo obusuafo ne wo maame mo saying
I said we maame body because we were 14 and 14 no a man kwa I was the only girl child na me so na me 11th ti obo wo say baby I say baby level am do sesia no
I say wo soro
me wo soro si o monti
ba wo ka se ma wuntie
o da you to me for
the teacher for no ya aware.
Some of the teachers are aware, and even some of the teachers when I was in campus, some of the time I made me that senior and choir me take you over. No, even some of the teachers came to me because me take you over. No, I took over from Form 2. It's very powerful. And some of the teachers even came to me for assistance.
For the what assistance?
Girls, no.
Mudinya girls.
Yeah, and teacher be wa. Obano or ebi oba class or pega we are untimi. And ebi on find any nko. You come and talk to you. It is such a teacher wa ba be catch me or catch me that very day na after class me the girl be corner one. Do you think that teacher be come as
there na wo be catch girl no?
Na say girl na kaso no kaso she knows me already into through.
Ono so nim say wo ku obi wo.
Yes. But by this thing, it's not hidden, no. And the teachers in the SHS, they know this.
Students be almost wrong because yes, Salaga Diana, master no coche 3. By a sing crown be bano, master ni jane because who sang crown say
yes,
yeah, and I'm my arrest you. Omu 2 in
and oh punish me, I'll come to you in the evening.
Physical and spiritual.
Ebi wa me ba attack no physical, ebi wa me ba spiritual.
Against the teacher.
Me ba. Ebi amamba me those behind me.
Or small boys, you know,
they will come after you. Into one pen no answer no omba.
Messiah Power. So now, Madam Irene Sam, a deputy national PRO, the Council of Parents and Teachers,